Hello, welcome to Statistics in Research and this next part of our case, and we are still on case 1 of chapter 3, case 1 of Glenn Owen's QuickBook Online for accounting, and we've already modified our company settings, created the new accounts and related balances. Now we are looking at how to create products and services. And for this case, we are required to create 2 new products and 1 new service item as follows. So for the products, we have Rock 15 and we also have the Water Hog. And then for the service, we'll be adding a consulting service, and then make changes to existing accounts within the journal entry. So to create a new product, you'll go to the gear icon and then click on products and services. And under product and services, you'll click add an item because we don't have any products and services, and then click on the inventory option. Once you're here, you can be able to add the name of your product, and in our case, the first product is Rock 15. So we will add the name of the product, and then under the initial quantity, we have the initial quantity on hand as 10 items as of 31st December 2023. So we'll click on the date, 31st December 2023, and then the inventory asset account is inventory asset, so you can click here in case maybe there are other options you can add, but for this specific project, we are required to add the inventory asset account as inventory asset. So we've selected that, and then we are also supposed to add the price, the price and the cost of this particular item. So the sales price is $650, and you can see it here, $650, and then the cost is $400. So we'll add the price, and then select the income account. The income account is sales, so we'll select income account as sales, and then the cost of the item is $400. We'll select it, you'll add it under cost, and then the expense account is cost of goods sold, so we can just select cost of goods sold, and that's it as far as this particular product is concerned. So once you've added all this information, you can click on save and close, and then there's also an option of adding. So for instance, if you are working on your company, you can also add a picture or a photo of the item. So I think that's it. So we'll come and click save and close, and then we will add a new product, and our second product is the Water Hog. So you can add the name of the product as the Water Hog, and for this we are supposed to track quantity, and the initial quantity on hand is 8 items, and the date is December 31st 2023. So we'll select this, the inventory asset account is inventory asset, so select it. Then the sales price per unit is $860, and the income account type is sales, so we'll select sales under these options. And then the cost of the item is $500, so we'll add that. And the income or the expense account is cost of goods sold, so this is well selected. So once you've selected all those options, you'll click on save and close, or you can click save and new, so that you add a new account if you want to. So in this case, we've already added the two products. So we'll go to the next item, and this is the service. So we'll add the service, and this is called consulting. So you'll come to new, select new, and then click on service, and the service name is consulting. And for this, the service rate is $25 as instructed here. So we have $25 as the service rate. And then the income account is based on the income account. We have the income account. Income type is, we'll add a new one. It's called services. So since we already have it, that's okay. So once you've done that, you'll click on save and close. Then the next part of our question is to make changes to the following accounts via journal entry as of 31st December 2023 with an offset to opening balance equity. And then you need to note that you'll have to add these accounts first. So we have the accounts receivable, prepaid expenses, and accounts payable. The amounts are as shown. And then the name, we have different names for the different accounts. So for this, we will we'll go through this in our next video. Thank you.